What's up guys, this is my Can-Am X3 and today I just got done hosing the machine down, giving her a good rinse, but she's still got that dull look. So today we're going to shine up a portion of the machine with SC1, new bike in a can, everyone's favorite. And taking on the champion today is the Challenger, I'm sure you've heard of, WD-40. Did you know WD-40 on your plastics can give the same results as SC1? Well, keep watching and we're going to find out. We're going to start by applying a coat of SC1 to this half of the door and this portion of the fender. That should be a fair coat. Put this here so we know that's the SC1 side. Challenger WD-40, much more affordable. Never done this before. Here goes nothing. Try not to get it sprayed down on the SC1 side. The SC1 side's already set a minute, so we'll use one side of the cloth for SC1 side. If you want it to shine more, they say you buff it with microfiber. If you want the mud to slide off, you just put it on and leave it. Here's the SC1 side of the rag. We're going to flip it over, clean side of the rag, and we're going to do the WD-40 side. So for immediate results, I just got done wiping it. There's the WD-40 side. And here's the SC1 side. And now here's the split comparison. Okay, now they've both had time to dry for about 5 or 10 minutes in the sun. WD-40 top panel and on the left, SC1 bottom panel and on the right. SC1 to me in person definitely looks a little darker, so it definitely works a little better, but the WD-40 is helping. If you look here where I used it, and then you can see where I stopped. So for fun now, on the SC1 side, you can see where I stopped here. I'm going to use WD-40 from that section up and let that dry and see how it compares to the lower section. So we've let it set for a minute. Buff it off. Immediate results. SC1 from here down. WD-40 from there up. Yeah, I think I can see a line right here. It's darker from there down, and lighter from there up. So the SC1 definitely does better. So now we'll give it like 5 minutes to dry. Then we'll go over top of the WD-40 part with the SC1 to see if it darkens it up. Oh, it's too windy. Stuff's expensive to be spraying in the wind. We won't do this part. We'll leave that for a comparison. And buffer off. Oh, I kind of done a little bit of that part that I wasn't supposed to. Did it get any darker? It's hard for me to tell. I think it did. It's hard to tell though. And I think I kind of got some right here, so it's hard to compare this to that, but up here. Okay, so this is the SC1 line here, WD-40 up. We'll hit that part now, see what happens. Let that dry a minute. And buff it out. How'd we do? Yeah, I feel like the SC1 made it darker than the WD-40. I don't see that line there anymore now that I went over top of the WD-40 with the SC1. And yeah, this is more looking the same as this now. So what have we learned here? SC1 still the reigning champ when it comes to making your machine shine. But if you're on a budget and want to save a couple dollars or just don't have nothing else, got some WD-40 kicking around the house, it will do the trick. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. They call me a god. They call me a god.